more than Guitar.com, and in this video lesson, how to play Zombie Jamboree, the song that killed Calypso. There are many different recorded versions of this song. I'm going to show you the way I do it using the lyrics as sung by Rockapella, the a cappella rock group, with the guitar chords as done by the Kingston Trio back in 1958. Like usual, I'm going to start off with the chords. We're going to start with a G chord. First finger hangs loose. The middle finger gets the 5th string on the 2nd fret. Ring finger gets the 6th string on the 3rd fret, and your pinky gets the 1st string on the 3rd fret also, and you're going to play all 6 strings. To switch from a D to a G chord, which you're going to do a lot in this song, you're going to slide these 2 fingers all the way across so they land on the 1st string and the 2nd string, still on the 2nd and 3rd frets. The 1st finger then places itself on the 3rd string, 2nd fret, and you're going to play 4 strings. To go from the G chord to the C chord, it's even easier. You're just going to move these 2 over 1 string, pick up your pinky, put down your 1st finger on the 2nd string, 1st fret, and play 5 strings. Later on in the song, there's an E minor. You're going to go from the C to the E minor. Your 1st finger picks up, middle finger moves over 1 string, your ring finger slides over and down a string, so you wind up with the middle finger on the 5th string, 2nd fret, ring finger on the 4th string, 2nd fret, and play 6 strings. That's all the chords you need to know to play Zombie Jamboree. To play the strumming pattern for Zombie Jamboree, start off with a steady beat. It's kind of fast. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2. Zombie Jamboree, and then we're going to miss a couple. We're going to accent the 1 by leaving out the and of 1 and 2. So we're going to go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And notice you're not playing the rhythm, but rather just miss the strings a couple of times while you're keeping a steady beat. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And that's the basics for playing Zombie Jamboree. When you sing the song, make sure you do it with a loud and unapologetic tone. This will draw other people into the song, and they'll be singing along by the end of it. Don't forget to check below the video for the chord chart, as well as links to other songs that you might like to learn. Below that, there's a big gray box. This is a really short video. I'm sure I left something out. Please feel free to ask questions. This is Ben Brown with MoreThanGuitar.com, and this has been How to Play Zombie Jamboree, the song that killed Calypso.